Hustler, and welcome back to another review video. In this video guys, I will make a small review about the Jobiin product. So basically guys, I wish I watched the Jobiin product, the definition, the pros and cons, the sales page, the price, and my honest review at the end of this video. Without any further guys, let's get started. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. So basically guys, what is a Jobiin? Jobiin is a breakthrough software that creates automated job search sites, get you tons of free traffic, and make affiliate commission which multiple stream. Everyone guys of us has this in mind, be our own boss. We all would love to start and run our own business, make an earning that brings us closer to our dreams. So I am going to talk about a system that is made by hundreds, even thousands of dollars. I have applied the power of AVIA market to a business niche that has a never-ending supply of organic traffic. Yes, online job recruitment. People search seriously for jobs with almost 1 million searches every minute. You just need to collect the data and present them to your users. Actually, all this is done on using a programming, and job sites are auto-updated. So basically guys, this is the sales page. Type into this huge part-time or full-time income opportunity with no extra efforts. That sample software make us $328 per day commercials by creating simple self-effacing job sites in just 60 seconds. No manual job posting ever. Automatic post from 1 minute. Jobs earned commissions from 3 income sources. No technical skills or pre-knowledge, and no check scale or periodic knowledge required. So guys, this is the demo video of this product, and like you see guys, this is some features of the Jobiin. Create automated job search site and type into $212 billion the creation which industry automatically update job listing on your site every hour from 10 million jobs. Get a job listing from global giants like Amazon, Walmart, Costco, etc. Optimized blog articles and fresh cottage bolt, and made for newbies and experienced marketers. Even notice a technical can start benefit right away. Get started immediately. Launch them for your job site and start making money right away. Get affiliate commissions paid on every click for job listing from top requirement companies. Zero technical or marketing experience required for you to make money online. Promote your affiliate offers through banner and text as to get bounce and commissions. Get unlimited free search and social traffic on your website, and offers easy and intuitive to use software with step-in-step video training. 100 Nobel friendly with no inspiration, no technical hassle, and no period skill required. Plus guys, free commercial lessons if you act now. So guys, this is the sales page. There's only 3 steps to use the Jobiin. First one is add your details to begin with. Enter a business name, update logo, and enter an email ID for your own branding on the sale and the website. Number 2 guys is enter affiliate IDs. Enter your free job site affiliate ID to make commissions or add ClickBank, Zoo, or any other affiliate ID to monetize it better. Step number 3 guys, publish and profit. That is all, you're done. Publish your first ever profitable self-updating job site and earn affiliate commission on autopilot on every click. So guys, this is the sales page. You can scroll all the sales page and see a lot of informations and features about this wonderful product. And of course guys, you will find the product in the description below. So guys, now let's see the Jobiin from inside. So Basically guys, when you log into your account, this is the dashboard. Like you see, this is the number of my sites, the top companies, the scales and the countries. You just click out here, avoid the site. Enter here your website name, for example, just number 1, and this is the domain. Submit. So basically guys, like you see, this is the website I just done. So this is the website I just created. Click on it. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. You just wait a couple of seconds. And boom, like you see, the website is 100% done for you. Of course guys, all these sections are customizable 100, like the logo, the menu, how it's work. Like you see guys, this is the offers. You can customize it too. Like you see guys, the website look like professional and clean and easy to use and simple, and this is all you need to get the job done. So basically guys, this is the site creation. This is the website you already done. This is the site settings. You can make yours a lovely seating of on every site you want. This is the page section. Like you see, this is the pages. You can create as soon as much you want from pages. This is the affiliate settings, so you can get approach here your affiliated. And the ABAPI key, the banner ads also. You can create a much you love from the banner ads. The manage blogs, you can manage the blogs from here guys for your website. This is our website. Or the articles also, you can create as much you want from articles, of course. Guys, this is 100 customizable. The keyword planner. So basically guys, this is you can enter and search for any keyword you want. The bonuses, the tutorials guys, the contact support, of course the upgrades and the logout. Before we see the price guys, I will love to show you the bonus you will get beside this product, the Jobiin. The first bonus is the .com poll most complete sales solution builder. Bonus number 2 guys, live running 0 to 1 to 10K a month with Jobiin. Limited to first 1000 bars only. Bonus number 3, private access to online business VIP Globe. It's priceless. No bonus number 4, secret traffic source video training, useful to drive traffic that converts into buyers. Number 5 guys, 6 to 7 figures video training, boost your business and scale it to a new level. And bonus number 6, video training on how to become a highly profitable speaker. Share your passion, engage paid for your expertise. Total of all bonus guys is $2,795 now guys for the price. So this is the features you will get when you purchase the Jobiin. You will get all these features guys, plus the previous bonus I just showed with you. The price is $17 guys, one-time pay, no monthly fees, and of course guys, you will get 30 days money back guarantee if you don't like the product or you face any problems. So guys, thank you so much for watching this job on review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This offer guys is coming out with many bonus for early bird. Take your action ASAP guys, and don't forget the link in the description below. This is your friend the Orange Hustler was with you guys, and see you later. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.